Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name's Lawrence, and I'm here to show you some origami. This is a pre-made video due to the joys I may be experiencing during Pride and during August. All because I do not know how drunk I'm going to be, I do not know who I'm going to meet, I'm just hoping it's going to be a great experience. So this week, I'll be showing you the Origami Star Box. Another form of storage, which is very useful. It can be the best ones for, like, do you know when you've got a load of different coloured beads for sewing? Or just, bit of seasoning and such. It's all temporary normally with origami, but some of them can last a good while. And can be very useful to separate items as well if you use different colours. As I say, all you do is just draw on the paper, find some coloured paper or so, and you can make, a wide range. Some have even used them as plant pots as well. Just put a bit of dirt in them. Put a small bit of we call waterproof plastic or paper at the base of them, and you can make your own little garden, all within a simple box. And that way, it can be a bit easier as well, because all you do is tear the paper, and you can place it all down in a plant pot. So you can, work on growing some strawberries, growing some food, and if you're trying to save a bit of trouble transferring it, all you do is get a plant pot and tear the paper. So you do what you think is best with that one. So to start, we're just going to get the square base out again, the one I've shown you with the crane, the lily, and the dip tray. All we're doing from here is where the opening is, point it towards the top, okay? And then as with planes, just fold the top corner line into the centre, okay? Try to keep them all on point, okay? Then turn it over and do it again. And one more. There we go. So it looks very similar to the tulip base, but don't worry, we're not going to be doing the exact same thing, okay? So as I've done there, I've folded those into the centre, turned it over and done it again on the other side. And then what you do is pick one, lift it up and flatten it down, okay? Getting that centre line to follow that one, okay? Just fold it down into another right angle triangle, okay? There we are. And do it once again on the other side. Open it up, squash it down, so it's following the line in between each page, okay? Turn it over and do it exactly the same again. Fold that down, and then doing the same again. Here we are. So from here, all we need to do is turn it over on the pages where there are no folds. Okay. See a few preliminary ones there. Some of the pre-made folds from when you made it. Okay. And all we're doing is closing the book. So just fold those inward, trying to keep to the centre of the line, okay? As I said, similar as you will always do to planes, one thing many people know how to make. One of the first things anyone knows how to make, I believe. I'm going to use paper. Once again. Then we can just fold that down, okay? All we do, pick one of the pages, fold those down, turn it over, do it again. Then fold the pages on both sides and do it once more. folding all of these down, okay? Then what you do is as you open it up, just push the centre outward, or fold the base up to those triangle points, okay? And what will happen is, you've made a star box. Very simple one to make, very useful as well. And, well, plenty of space for plants, for beads, for, well, jewellery if you even want to as well. If you're just saving up a bit of money on trying to get yourself some containers for all your jewellery or to hang everything up, well, or you're just even making one for yourself. These can be very useful just to keep things together. So, this week's challenge. As you've heard, I've mentioned about storage, about beads, about one thing after the next 120 times, but it is this simplest thing I can link to these kinds of boxes. You can decorate them, you can make them as shiny as you want, but one thing I'm always thinking of is, you've got the smallest apartment or the biggest one, but sometimes even if you have the biggest house in the world, if you have too much furniture, it's hard to kind of find space for everything, to find where everything is gone. So what I recommend is a challenge of how much can you equalize space, I think the word is the best way to say it. You've got 5,000 things to organize and, well, nowhere to put it. Well, I hope your August is as enjoyable as mine will hopefully be, with so many celebrations on the agenda. And I hope you have enjoyed the video with a clear and simple guidance to how to make the star box. Please enjoy the rest of your week, the rest of your day, or the rest of the year. And if you have any desires, just please make a quick comment below. Thank you very much, and farewell.